In this video, let's understand the difference between a physical change and a chemical change. When a substance undergoes a physical change, its composition remains the same despite its molecules being rearranged. That is, the physical property like shape and size gets affected and not its composition. Whereas when a substance undergoes a chemical change, its molecular composition is changed entirely. Thus, chemical change involves the formation of a new substance. Physical change is a temporary change and it's reversible, whereas chemical change is a permanent change. It changes both the physical and the chemical properties of the substance, including its composition. A physical change involves very little or to no absorption of energy, whereas a chemical change involves absorption and evolution of energy during a chemical reaction. Some examples of physical change are freezing of water, melting of wax, boiling of water, etc. Examples of chemical change include digestion of food, burning of coal, rusting, etc.